What can birds in Chile tell us about the next pandemic? Navarino Island is an island in the subantarctic of Chile. It is a place like no other on Earth. It is a pristine ecosystem that has been largely untouched by humans since the dawn of time. About 15 years ago, beavers moved into the system. They began doing what beavers do, building dams. This is the perfect breeding habitat for mosquitoes. Temperatures have risen slightly over the last few years, which allowed mosquitoes to survive in this environment. And tourist ships that are coming through on their way to visit Antarctica brought mosquitoes from tropical regions down into this environment. Part of my research at UNT is to investigate the emergence of malaria in this pristine ecosystem. We're starting to use something called a primer, which is a genetic tool that we can use to identify malaria that's existing in birds and also identify where that malaria came from and its prevalence in the system as a whole. So by studying malaria in this system, we learn more about how diseases gain what's called zoonosis, or the ability to move from animal systems to human systems. As human populations continue to expand into these natural places, we're going to discover new diseases. Some of those new diseases may have the opportunity to gain zoonosis and become the next pandemic. Understanding that process and how diseases establish and spread through an environment is a critical knowledge gap that we have in understanding and being able to predict where and when the next pandemic may occur. Thank you for joining me in the lab. If you enjoyed this video, check out some more videos in the playlist below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more content about the lab.